Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Sandra and I'm back again with another amazing and interesting video. If today is the first time I've come across my channel, please do me well to subscribe and turn on the post notification so that you not get to miss any of our videos. It has been a while. Who missed me? It has been 2 weeks now. It has been 2 weeks since I hold my camera, since I touched this camera to make a video. Guys, if you hear my voice, you know that my voice is so bad. I've been having this cough and soft throat. My throat has been paining me. That's why you have not seen me upload a video. I have been so not feeling well. That's why I have not been uploading or this is the first time that I'm holding my camera since more than 2 weeks. It's 2 weeks now, and I'm getting better, and I decided to come here and talk to you guys this evening. Yeah, I'm in my kids' room right now. We have changed the pattern. We put a new bed and a big bed. So I'll be showing you guys the tour tomorrow, but not this night. The kids are already sleeping. My husband is sleeping. Everybody in this house is sleeping. We are just here. I'm just here. Just want to do this video with you guys. Just want to talk to you guys this evening, and everything is okay. So I just came here to tell you guys the reason why I've not been uploading. If you can see, my voice is very cracked. Like my throat, I have this. I don't know what is in my throat, but it's making my. I can't even. Sometimes it make me to be short of breath. Sometimes I don't really know what is going on, but I'm getting better anyways. I'm getting better and stronger and bigger. So, yeah, guys, I'm going to be talking to you guys tomorrow when my kids are um awake, and I'm going to be, you know, I'm going to be talking to you guys tomorrow. Yeah, and I'm going to still be doing the tour of this room as I told you guys before. So guys, I told you yesterday that I'm going to be showing you the tour of my kids' room. So yeah, let me show you the tour now. Before, you guys know the way it was before, but you have not seen the way it is now. So I'm going to be showing you, and I'm going to still be telling you the reason why we put this bed that we put now. Okay, so let me just show you guys from the door. This is the tour of the room. This is the wardrobe that were here before, and this is the bed that we put in the room. And look at all their toys. As you can see, their toys are no longer littered all over my living room. Before, their toys is always scattered everywhere, but now look at where I put their toy now. Everything is just arranged, well organized, and I'm so happy about it. So yeah, guys, this is the bed that we put. Let me start from this way, so you can see the bed very well. Let me show you back of this side. Okay, this is the heater, and yeah, the kids room is ready for them to sleep on. So this is how the room is right now. This is how the room is right now, and I'll tell you the reason why we put this bed. The reason why we put this bed is because we want the kids to be sleeping together, Daniel and Prosper. I noticed that Prosper, to be precise, does not like to sleep alone. So me and Obi decided to put this bed so that they can Prosper can learn how to sleep. Like Prosper can be sleeping with Daniel, close to Daniel, so that their two can be warming. Prosper loves to feel the warmth of someone around when he's sleeping, even if it is daytime. In the night, Prosper loves that a lot. So that's why we put this bed, so that Prosper and Daniel can be sleeping together. Normally, Daniel normally sleep alone in his bed, Daniel does not have problem sleeping alone on his bed. But the problem that we have is Prosper. Prosper does not like to sleep alone. So that's why we put this bed, and I'm so excited about it. I'm so happy that at least I have space. My living room is no longer scattered with toys. Their toys are here now, and I'm so happy. If they want to use it, I'm teaching Daniel now to, maybe if he even take the toys to the living room to play, later he will bring it back here. We'll put it back in here. So yeah, guys, the kids are in the living room right now. So I'm going to be showing you guys them. Oh. Danny? Daniel, say hi.
Hi.
I am Prosper. Look at Prosper. I put Prosper here because Prosper did not allow me to rest.
Hi.
I am Prosper, say hi.
Hi.
Hey, Daniel say you should. So now I normally leave all these little small toys that they can use to play. Daniel, look at what you have done. Is it not the biscuit that you had just now that you used to rubbish this chair? This chair does suffer from the hand, I swear. So I normally put all these little toys that they used to play that is in the living. Yes, love. What? What do you say?
Mama.
Yes.
Kaka.
Kaka, you want water? Water? Okay, I'll get you water, baby. I'll get you water. Daniel said that he wants water. Let me get him some water. Water for baby Daniel. Let me get baby Daniel some water. Let me give baby Daniel some water. Oh yeah, take. Oh yeah, drink up. This is where I normally put my baby's toys before. That time that we have not organized that room, I put them here. But now I now have space to put, and here now have a little space. There's nothing scattering around here anymore, and I'm so excited about it. And everything is just perfect right now. Everything is just normal and perfect, and I'm so good about it. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is in the morning. Anyways, it's in the morning, and I just finished arranging this house. So, I just want to go and eat now. I just want to go and look for something to eat. I prepared jollof rice the other day, so I want to eat the jollof rice. I want to eat the jollof rice. Like I was talking to you guys yesterday, I told you that I've not been feeling fine. Yes, I've not been feeling fine for more than 2 weeks now. I have been having this pain in my throat. That's why you I've not hold my camera for the past almost 2 weeks. Yes, for the past 2 weeks, yes. I've not hold my camera, and this is on the 29th. Oh, someone is pressing my bell. Let me go and check with that. Here! As I was talking to you before, I was telling you about um like I was talking to you before my bell rang. I have been feeling this pain on my throat. That's why I have not make video for the past 2 weeks. And if you can see that my voice is still bad, it's not finished, but I'm getting better. I'm getting better. And yeah, guys, I finished eating. After when I drop, I just eat and everything. So right now, I'm just here. My kids, Prosper is sleeping in their room, in their bed right now. And Daniel came out with my friend. He went to upstairs because my friend live upstairs. Is with her there. So I'm here. Yeah, guys. You guys will be talking. I'll be talking to you guys later or tomorrow morning. And just stay tuned and watch this video today. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me well to subscribe and turn on the post notification so that you don't get to miss any of our videos. Okay.